first ask very humbly, sir, if you could grace and launch the book first, and after that we can pick this discussion.
Your heart will tell you what you are interested in. Because none of your classmates are going for that particular course, your heart will not like it. Okay. So don't select your course because based upon your friends. You should select your course only upon your interest.
I request, especially the students of 7th, 8th and 9th class graduates and even 10th class, please double check where your passion lies. And don't think just about the packages that you are getting. Don't take any kind of assumption that only the engineering and medicines are giving the hefty packages. Even the business management and law and the other careers also giving the great packages.
Respected Director Sir, Think Plus personnel, invitees, parents, friends and students of Sri Prakash have seen book launches. In fact, the books launched were by Synergites and Prakashites. This is the first launch here. Really, thank you, sir.
But you do have the internet, not the internet. You have the world at your fingertips through the internet. Then why do we not know it? So this book, kids, is not really to say that you should do this, but this book is that first step for you to explore what opportunities are there out there in the world.